Now this question says solve 29 minus x over 4 equals to x plus 5. And this other one says solve 4 divided by x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 equal to 1. This will lead us to a topic I titled algebraic fractions. Now what's algebraic fractions? These are algebraic terms in fraction form. For example, x plus 3 over 2, 2 over x plus 3, and things like that. Now, they are algebraic terms in fraction form, so we need to clear the fractions first before we now solve out the algebra. Okay? For example, for the first question that we're given, we're told to solve 29 minus x over 4 equal to x plus 5. For this is just a straightforward one because we just have to clear the fraction straightforward and then solve the algebraic equation. Now for us to clear this fraction, we'll have to multiply both sides by 4. Okay? Now we have 29 minus x over 4 times 4 equal to 4 times x plus 5. Okay? Now this 4 will cancel out this 4. You have 29 minus x equal to 4 times x plus 5. And 4 times x plus 5 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times plus 5 is plus 20. So you have 29 minus x equal to 4x plus 20. Now, we're going to gather like terms. And how will we do that? For everyone without x, they will go to this side. Or everyone with x will go to this side. And the ones without x will come to this side. Okay? Now, 29 doesn't have x, so it remains here. Now another rule is that if I'm picking a number from here or a figure from here and I'm taking it over an equality sign, the sign changes. For example, if plus 20, I'm picking it from here and taking it over to this side, it becomes minus 20. Minus x, if I'm picking it and taking it over to this side, it becomes plus x. Once it crosses an equality sign, the sign changes. That is a very notable thing. This is very good for you to learn it. It's very good for you to bear it in mind. Now, for 29 plus 20, when it goes over to this side, it becomes minus 20. Okay? Now, this one remains here. Bring down an equal to sign. This one remains here because it has an x value, 4x. Now minus x has a negative sign, so when we take it over to this side, it becomes positive plus x. Now this is going to give us 29 minus 20 is 9 equal to 4x plus x is 5x. Now since the one we're going to simplify is 9 and is on this side, we're going to take 5x to this side. We have 5x equal to 9. Now let's divide both sides by 5. Divided by 5, divided by 5 rather. So it will remain our x when you divide here. We have x equal to 9 over 5, and that will be 1.8. Now this is pretty straightforward because it's just a number that they use to make it a fraction. But a situation where they use algebra to make it a fraction, that one you require more work. For example, for the second question, we're given 4 over x plus 3 minus 3 over 2x minus 1 equal to 1. Okay? Now, for us to be able to clear the fraction, we have to make it a single fraction first of all. Now we'll make it a single fraction. After making a single fraction, they will now clear the fraction. Now to make this a single fraction, we have to find the lowest common multiple of x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. You agree with me that two of them, they don't have any multiple together. Okay, so the best common multiple for them is just multiply this by this. That's the lowest common multiple should be x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. If you have any two algebraic terms like x plus 1 and x minus 1. The best common multiple is just x plus 1 times x minus 1. That's just how algebraic terms are. It's more like the basics. But if you have x minus maybe 2 into x minus 1 here, and then x plus 3, the lowest common multiple is going to be x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay, not 2 into, because we're looking for the lowest. Now when x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 divides x plus 3, x plus 3 will cancel x plus 3, then to remain 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 will multiply 4, so you have 4 into 2x minus 1. Then when x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 divides 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 will cancel 2x minus 1, so it will remain x plus 3, and x plus 3 will multiply minus 3. So you have minus 3 into x plus 3 equal to 1. That's this one here. Okay, now we'll have this 4 into x minus 2x minus 1 minus 3 into x plus 3 equal to, now multiplying both sides by, okay, let's just do it here, over x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Let's multiply both sides by this denominator so that we won't have this fraction again, times x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 equal to 1, times the 1 is going to multiply x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay, or multiply the same thing here. So when this multiplies, this one will cancel this, so you have 4 into 2x minus 1 minus 3 into x plus 3. Now it's going to give us x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay, now let's try and simplify this and make it as simple as we can. Now multiplying now this, we have 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9, equal to, now for this one we just break it down, x will multiply everything here, 2x minus 1, and plus 3 will multiply everything here, plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Okay, now you're going to have 8x minus 3x is 5x. Now this is gone and this is gone. Minus 4 minus 9, minus 4. Now 8x minus 3x is 5x, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. Okay, now you have equal to, this times this is 2x squared, this time this is minus x, this time this is plus 6x, and this time this is minus 3. Okay, now we'll have 5x minus 13 equal to 2x squared, 6x minus 5 minus x is plus 5x minus 3. Now we're taking everything over to this side and equating to 0. You have 5x minus 13 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Now one thing you have to bear in mind is any number that is on this other side of the equality sign and you're taking it over to this side, it becomes negative. Always bear that in mind. Now we have to gather like terms. 5x, another x term is minus 5x, then minus 13, you bring plus 3, then minus 2x squared equal to 0. Okay, now 5x minus 5x is 0, so you have 3 minus 13 is minus 10, and then minus 2x squared equal to 0. Okay, now let's take this over to this side. Okay, And taking it back to this side, you have 2x squared equal to minus 10. Dividing both sides by 2, you're going to have x squared equal to minus 5. And then your x will be root of minus 5. Okay? Now that's it for that question. So basically what you have to do for an algebraic fraction that has an algebra on the denominator, you make it a single fraction first of all before you now start breaking it down to get the x values. So that's it for algebraic fraction.